Copilot didn't mention that email. Your colleague gets a different answer to the same question. Those are not prompt problems. They are grounding problems, and this video is the map. What Copilot can see, why answers vary, and how to pin it to a source. When Copilot misses something you know exists, the cause is almost always scope or permissions. Your license decides what data Copilot can reach. Your permissions decide what comes back. The prompt comes third. The free tier reads the web, plus whatever you upload into the chat. That is the whole list with one exception. Inside Outlook, every M365 user keeps inbox and calendar grounding. The paid add-on reads your organizational data, mail, calendar, Teams, OneDrive, SharePoint, and meeting transcripts. Copilot queries with your identity. If you cannot open a file, it cannot see it either. It creates no new access, and it respects sensitivity labels. The flip side, a SharePoint site shared with the whole company is wide open to everyone's Copilot. Fix the sharing, not the tool. The simplest grounding works on every tier. What you paste or upload is in scope. Here is a status note pasted straight into the chat with one instruction: answer only from this text. Every commitment comes back with its owner, its deadline, and the exact sentence it came from. And where the note gives Thomas no deadline at all, the table says exactly that. No explicit deadline stated. Then the flags. The note calls the team 14 in one place and 12 in another, and Copilot catches it, quoting both lines. It also separates a vendor's expectation from a firm commitment. Grounded answers are traceable, and their gaps are visible. Here is why the same question gives different answers on different days. Email retrieval returns at most 10 results per query. Recency weighted. Teams messages. The last 30 days. Current thread only. Ask on Monday and again next Friday, and the window has moved under you. So stop letting it guess. Next to the message box, click the plus, then add work content. Pin the exact source, a file, an email, a meeting with a transcript, a person, or a channel. Copilot reads your reference first, then answers. And if you are used to typing the @ sign for this, that now opens the agent picker. The plus button is where sources live. The difference in practice. What are the risks in this project gets you a generic list from wherever the search landed. What risks in the Q2 register, score above 15, gets you those risks from that file with the scores. One is a guess, the other is quotable. Need the answer traceable to one specific document, email, or meeting? Pin it as a source and Copilot reads it first. Everything else in the map builds on that. The full scope table, the permission model, and every reference type are 2 written guides, free at kesslernity.com/guides, link below. This matches the live product as of July 22nd, 2026, and the description gets a note whenever Microsoft changes it. Next in the series, creating your first agent. Ding.